Okay, welcome back. So now we are going to be doing three-digit addition using our place value blocks. I made a video last week to show you two-digit addition using place value blocks. Now today I'm going to show you three-digit addition with place value blocks. I'm going to do a couple of problems to help you. Okay, so let's add 561 plus 238. So just like last time, I'm going to make my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Now remember, the big squares are hundreds, the sticks are tens, and the little cubes are ones. Okay, so hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so I'm going to start with 561. I'm going to draw my hundreds, tens, and ones. So 561 has 5 hundreds, so I'm going to draw 5 hundreds squares. 6 tens, so 6 sticks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 1. Okay, 238 has 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 8 little ones. Okay, now I'm ready to add. So starting in the ones place, when we add, we always start in the ones place. So I'm going to count up all of my ones. If I have 10 or more, I have to regroup. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't have 10 or more, so I can just leave the 9 in my answer down here. Now I'm going to count up my tens. Same thing, if I have 10 or more tens, I need to regroup and trade it in for 100. Okay, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again, not enough to regroup, so I'm just going to leave my answer. So I have a 9. Okay. Moving on to the hundreds. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No regrouping in this problem. Our answer is 899. Take a minute to check that out. Okay, so the next problem I'm going to show you is going to use regrouping. So pay close attention to how I do it. And you'll remember, it will click in your brain that, oh yeah, we've done this before in class. Okay, so let's do 478 plus 296. Make my hundreds, tens, and ones chart, just like we've been doing. Okay, 478 has 400, so I'm going to draw my 100 squares. 2, 3, 4. 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 296 has 2 hundreds. 1, 2. 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now I'm going to count up. And I told you that this would have to be regrouping. And we will know that it's regrouping if there's 10 or more in the ones. We have to trade that in for a 10. If there's 10 or more tens, we have to trade that in for 100. And if there's 10 or more hundreds, we have to trade that in for 1,000. Okay. So starting in the ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to take 10 out of there and trade it in for a 10. So I'm going to cross out 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to draw in a new 10 because remember I traded it in. Okay, what did that leave me with in the ones? It left me with 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So that's going in my answer, in my sum. Now let's check out the tens. If we have 10 or more tens, we have to regroup and trade them in for a 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I need to take 10 and trade it in for 100. So I'm going to cross out 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had to get and trade these 10 that I just crossed out in for a 10. So I'm going to draw a 10 over here. I mean 100, sorry. I'm going to draw 100 over here. So in the tens place, I'm left with how many in my red circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7 is my sum. In my sum. Okay, now the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's less than 10, so I do not need to regroup. So my answer is 774. Take a minute to check that out. Okay, I hope these videos will help you when you're doing your work this week. If you have any questions and you're still stuck when you're trying to do your work, please let me know, send me a message, and I will help you out the best that I can.